Want to spice up your Google Slides with some audio? Whether it's background music, a voiceover, or a fun sound effect to grab attention, adding sound doesn't have to be complicated. Let me walk you through it. It's simpler than you might think. So I want to add a flying sound to this slide with a sticker for an airplane. First off, you'll need an audio file in MP3 or WAV format. Google Slides won't accept other file types, so double check that. Oh, and heads up, you can't upload directly from your computer. You'll need to save the file to Google Drive first. Here's how. Open Drive, click the plus new button. Choose File Upload, then find and upload your audio file. Once that's done, open your Google Slides presentation and navigate to the slide where you want the audio to play. Click Insert at the top of the screen, select Audio, and pick the file you just uploaded from Drive. When you click Insert, a little speaker icon will pop up on your slide. Feel free to drag it wherever you want. It's totally movable. Over on the right side, you'll see some settings to tweak how the audio plays. You can set it to start automatically, or only when clicked, loop it for background music, adjust the volume, or even hide the speaker icon if you don't want it visible during your presentation. You have advanced options too, like size and rotation, position, recolor, adjustment, and a lot more to play with. Just remember to test everything by clicking Slideshow before your big moment. You don't want any surprises mid-presentation. A few things to keep in mind. Google Slides doesn't let you record audio directly, so you'll need to use another app for that. Also, if you try linking to audio stored elsewhere online, it'll open in a new tab, kind of clunky. And if you download your slides as a file, the audio won't carry over, which is a bummer. But once you've got it set up, it's a great way to add a little life to your slides. No more awkward silence. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Also, comment liked so I can personally thank you in the comments for supporting me. Thanks for watching and take care.